How to fix Steam error code 118. Steam error code 118 typically indicates that there is a problem with your internet connection preventing your Steam client from communicating with the Steam servers. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection to see if that resolves the issue. You can also try restarting your router or modem. 2. Verify Steam server status. Sometimes, Steam servers may be experiencing downtime or maintenance, which can cause error code 118. Check the official Steam status page, https://steamstat.us, to see if there are any reported issues with the Steam servers. 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it and connecting to Steam without it. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Steam's connection to its servers, leading to error code 118. 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Steam or its connections. You may need to add Steam to the list of allowed programs or temporarily disable your firewall/antivirus to see if it's causing the issue. 5. Flush DNS cache. Flushing your DNS cache can sometimes resolve networking issues. Open the command prompt, on Windows, or Terminal, on Mac OS, and type the following command, IP protocol configuration/flush and press enter to execute the command. Then restart your computer and try launching Steam again. 6. Reset internet settings. Resetting your internet settings to default can help resolve any configuration issues that may be causing error code 118. Instructions for resetting internet settings vary depending on your operating system and network setup, so you may need to consult online guides or contact your internet service provider for assistance. 7. Restart Steam client. Close the Steam client completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting Steam can resolve connectivity issues. 8. Check for Steam client updates. Make sure your Steam client is up to date. Steam updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can help resolve connectivity issues. 9. Contact Steam support. If you've tried the above steps and are still experiencing error code 118, you may need to contact Steam support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the issue, including any error messages you're receiving and steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve Steam error code 118.